स्लैब्स को रैशनलाइज करना चाहिए। 5 लाख तक का स्लैब पे 5% इनकम टैक्स है और उसके बाद इनकम 5 से 10 लाख पे 20% है, इसको कम करना चाहिए। दूसरा, स्टैंडर्ड डिडक्शन जो है वो 50,000 से बढ़ा के 1 लाख करना चाहिए, क्योंकि अभी कोविड की वजह से लोगों के हाथों में पैसे की कमी है। ये छूट से लोगों के हाथ में पैसा आ जाएगा।
Income tax rate. If the threshold for tax-free income could be raised up to 4 lakhs and additional tax relief on rent payments, home loan payments and educational loan payments. Please also raise the maximum limit for savings to 2 lakhs from the current 1.5 lakhs.
We really have a high hope, especially this year because of this pandemic or coronavirus situation. As our income is either the same or it's getting lesser day by day, and at the same time our expenses are getting higher. And as a housewife, I really need to maintain a balance between the income and the expenses, and I really find it difficult when it comes to the daily needs.
Since the economy is growing again and we are all expecting it to grow really fast this year, inflation would become an issue so interest rates should be taken care of by the government.
Long-term capital gain from equity instruments is now subject to tax at the rate of 10% beyond a threshold of rupees 1 lakhs. I think the indexation benefit on capital gain on equity instruments should be restored forthwith.
What the coronavirus pandemic has done is it's magnified the existing fault lines in our economy. Perhaps now, more than ever, the government should increase its expenditure and enhance its efforts in reducing digital divide. We have seen a lot of cases where students have either paused or dropped out of their education mainly because of accessibility issues.
I think the government should definitely prioritize tackling air pollution in 2021's budget. It was found that more than 16.7 lakh Indians were killed in 2019 due to air pollution, which caused more than $36.8 billion in economic losses, which was more than 1.6% of the Indian GDP.